Be hunted by a
Well guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we hit a stop loss during the NY session around this area, which I got manipulated with the price action. I didn't see the price rejection in 3 minutes time frame. As you can see here, in the 3 minutes the price was rejecting from here, but in 5 minutes the price closed below. So this was my planned zone for the time period, and I saw that the price closed below the zone, so I was a bit confident about taking this trade. But since I made a mistake, I didn't see in a different time frame, which you can see here in 3 minutes time frame, the price clearly was getting rejected from this point here. So it was a kind of manipulation, so hence I hit the stop loss here. And as I told you guys that I would look for another opportunity to sell or maybe buy, since the price has to fill up this zone here, right below this zone of imbalance, which is huge. Since there was no news today and the price shooted up, I was expecting a correction. So here it is. You can see that I have entered a trade around 510 here. I have entered in 510 and 530. I have initiated many like 3 trades on three different positions. I have one here, I have one here, and I have another one somewhere around this area, which I have stops all $50. So now we can see that the price has been rejecting from the top, and we can see that the price got rejected here on the top with these few candlesticks, and in 15 minutes it looks very authentic to enter around this area. So I entered around this area, and then I kept on adding my positions in my different account. So you can see I have already 1 hour secured, but I would like to hold this trade until at least around this area to secure like at least some money. I'm not trying to revenge trade. I was waiting very patiently to enter around this area, since I was also looking around this area to enter, but I didn't see the price breaking below from this area, so I decided to wait. And then we saw a good price action played over here, which is this area, and it broke in a very good way, and then it got some rejection around there. Here is where I entered in one of my account. So I will just keep you guys updated how it goes. I'm planning to hold this trade at least this 3 hour here. So we'll see how it goes. This could also be a possible area of support around this area, because the price just bounced up from this area. And if you scroll to if you refine the chart to 3 minutes and 5 minutes, you can see the price here is very, I mean, the push above from this place is was really good. But again, we will wait for the structure. If this structure gets cancelled, which is something like this, if the price gets above this level at any moment, I would try to just do the break even. So as far as I think, the price should go below to around 39,300 around this area. To be very optimistic, I would also like to think that the price should come back to this area again for tomorrow's. I mean, we can get some more trades tomorrow if the price comes back here. So as you can see, I'm already 1.5 hour up on this trade. We will wait for this candle to close. We'll see how it goes. If the candle closes below this area, I will be very sure about this trade going down south around 300. But since, as I told you, that the price here has got some support out here, it could be very likely that the price could reject from here, but I would still hold for some time. I'll see how this candle closes. As long as the candle doesn't close above this area around here, I would be very much convinced with this sell. In 15 minutes, you can see the price has closed above around this area. It got a bit of rejection, but again, the price might come here to take some imbalance and could go south. I would like to wait for some time. In 30 minutes, you can see the price has closed very bearish. In 1 hour as well. So price might go up here again to take some imbalance around this zone. In 4 hours, we have 59 minutes to close. We have 1 hour to close. So we'll see very carefully. If the price remains under pressure around this area, we will keep our stops. We will try to trail the trade, but in my case, I would just close all at once. I just hate trailing, but I would just take a look how the price acts around this level. Look, in 3 minutes, you can see the price here has got some kind of orders. In 5 minutes, not much, but in 3 minutes, you can see the price has shooted up from here in a very, very impulsive way. So we will wait for the price to break below this level around here, and then we will find our TPs. We will think about our TPs. For now, I'll just keep the trade running. This trade here, I have had these mistakes done before, and I am very aware that it was not the market that stopped me out, it was me, because I failed to see the lower time frame, what's going on in there. As well as you can see, the price here has had a good support, and since that time is very volatile, I should have waited for any proper impulsive movement to enter my trade, but I just I did a small mistake and I had to pay the price, but that is okay. That's how you learn every day, because every day you trade and you learn from the market. The market teaches you every single day. It doesn't let you forget your mistakes. So I will just consider that my lesson. So you can see the price here is a bit messy. It looks like the price has been trying to reject from this area, but I will wait for a 5 minutes confirmation. If it gets rejected from this area again, I would be very convinced to hold this trade up to 39,300. That would give me potentially 4.6 hour. We'll see how these 40 seconds go. Or maybe I should just close the trade because I want to be break even today. Let's see, I'm closing this trade. So for today you can see the price has played very bad, and we got another chance here to enter in the sell, but since I'm going to hold in one of my account and in two of them I'm going to close, so that I just have the break even day. I mean, no revenge trading. You can see I explained you the trade right here. The price here was the price action was very good. The price broke the zone below, and then it went for some retracement and it came down, and then it went for some retracement, it came down. So it was overall a good trading day. So I would just like to show you guys the trade that I have taken here. Oh, okay, it was private, so I'm gonna just make it public. It opens with private, I don't know why. Whenever I go live, the default setting is private, so I don't know. So I could show you that this trade that I have taken today was a minus 544, and then I break even almost. It was giving me 600 something, but I wanted to see if the price is holding here, but I think it's a bit kind of rejection, so I would just try to close it. I just closed my trade here, so you can see that it's almost break even, and we'll have another opportunities tomorrow. I have one of my account that I've been holding the trade, which I will close at this area around 300. So that's all for today. I will update you for my another trade that I have taken, the one that I am holding for today. I mean, I will close of course when it's around 10:30, and I'll see if the price comes below this area so that I could just have my 4.63 are secured on my other account. As you can see that this in this account I have already made the break even for today. So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Well, let's see if the price comes below. Oh well, I forgot to disconnect. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.